Hello, once again, you're welcome to FTGFx Weekly Market Outlook. And what we do is that we analyze the market and share with you potential market moves that you can use as a guide. Now, let's say we are in 2025. You need not to spend money on trading education, trading signals, and all. No. Just create an account with Ingot Brokers where you can access trading signals, trading education. You copy trade from experienced traders and anything that every support that you need in order to become a successful trader. Just create an account with Ingot Brokers and access all of that. So for you to access your trading signals, after you have logged into your account, you scroll down here, you click on resources. Okay, now on the resources, you will now see markets or trading signals, as you can see here. So it tells you when to enter the market, where to put your stop loss, where to put your take profit, and also this was on Euro USD, USD JPY. There are a lot of them that you can access them. Okay, if you are not also accessing them from your dashboard, but you want to access it from the MT5, you can just click or open your MT5. Down here, see trade exposure history news. Click on news like this, news, and then you see all these trading signals. So let's say GBP JPY, and from here you can see where it's telling you the market is going to go, where to put your stop loss, take profit, and all of that. Okay, so it's very, very important to, like I said, we are in 2025. Don't waste much time with trading signals. Don't waste money, not even time, on signals and all of that. Now let's delve into it. In the coming week, there are going to be a lot of news items in the coming week. Okay, events that might shake the market. So first, you visit the Ingot Brokers website. The mouse, move it here, resources, then you scroll down where you see economic calendar. So on the economic calendar, you would be able to see news coming up in a week and all of that. So here, when you click on that, you scroll down, then you click on next week, because we want to know what's going to come up in the next week. Okay, so next week, starting from tomorrow, okay, news from China, Europe, CPI news coming from the Eurozone. When you keep going forward, on Tuesday, we have interest rate news coming from Australia, okay, which is a very important news that I would like us to have a look at. Canada also has news coming up, Japan, US, and all of these markets. Okay, so all that I would like to tell you is Ingot Brokers has the tools that can help you trade well as a trader. Education, trading signals, having a calendar that I can share with you, potential market events that might shake the market. Now, looking at this, which is part of our fundamental things that we look for, the analysis. For me, when it comes to the forex market, I would like us to look at AUDUSD. In the crypto market, to look at BTCUSD, and then in the commodities market, I would like us to look at oil. So let's move to the MT5. Now, AUDUSD, this is how it looks like. Okay, if you look at it closely, you realize that the market has been ranging for some time now. So if it is ranging, what am I to look out for? I'm going to look out for my resistance and support. The resistance is the highest price, the support is the lowest price. So I move the mouse here, I click on my horizontal line to identify my resistance. Okay, so you can see that, I'm going to explain that shortly. And then this, okay, so you can see that price has been raging, and price got rejected here first, this point where I have the mouse. At this point, price got rejected, which is called the resistance. Okay, and then it came down up to this point here, where price has gotten rejected again. Then it moved up to this point here, where price got rejected from the resistance again. But before it even got there, it started from here. Let me identify that here. Okay, so let me just use this line to draw it. So from here, price moved up here, and then it moved down. So it was from support to resistance, back to support, and then back to resistance. Then it started moving down again, trying to go to the support. Okay, so if you're a trader looking out for a buy opportunity in AUD USD, currently looking at where it is, you can buy when the price hits the support, okay, and then when you buy two, you can now have your stop loss below the support. Or if you're looking out to sell or looking out for a sell opportunity, you can sell when the support is broken to the downside. However, if you're also looking out for a buy opportunity at the resistance here, when the price gets to the resistance and it breaks the resistance to the upside, you place your buy trade. Or if you're looking out for a sell opportunity and it gets to the resistance and the price rejects like this one, you place your sell trade. But in all of these, ensure that you have proper risk management measures in place. Okay, so these are the opportunities in AUD USD currency pair. If you're looking out for a trade opportunity in US oil, okay, or oil, what you can do is, if you look at this carefully, you realize that price has been in a downtrend for some time now. So we select our downtrend line like this, we scroll down, or we drag it down. Okay, so you realize that the downtrend move started from this point. The downtrend move started from here, and then when it got to this point, price rejected. When it got to this point, price rejected. So we started from here, came down to this point, and then when it goes to this point, the price rejected down again. Now, if you even look at it carefully, you realize that this point served as the support. Okay, when the price got here, a moment. So if you look at this closely, when price started from here, it got down here, it got rejected. Oh, moment. Sorry. Okay, if you look at it closely, when price started from the up here, it got down here, it got rejected, which we can take that as our first support or key level. And then price came down back here again, and then it got rejected again. Okay, so downtrend line drawn to identify where price got rejected at the upside. But down here, this has been the support. So if you're looking out for a buy opportunity, okay, you wait for this downtrend line to break up to the upside, then you place your buy trade. If you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the downtrend line to reject the price again to the downside. In all of this, you can also use this support as a guide, okay, as a key level. Now let's look at BTCUSD or Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin has reached or has gotten rejected by its resistance one more time like this. So this is the first key level where I have the mouse here, and then price moved up again, and then price got rejected here. Okay, so if you're looking out for a sell opportunity, you can wait for the price to get rejected by the resistance again, place your sell, have your stop loss above the resistance. If you're looking out for buy opportunity, you wait for the resistance to get broken to the upside, and then you place your buy trade. Okay, so yes, once again, thank you for joining me. And like I said, we are in 2025. Don't waste much time with paying people for trading signals, trading education, copy trades, and no. You just log into your Ingot Brokers account. There, let's say at the left side, you see resources. Scroll down, you see trading signals, copy trading, where you can copy trades from experts. You can just click on become a follower, and then you've copied their trades as well. You can also become a partner. Click on the partnership. You click here, and then you send a request to become a partner, okay, where you get commissions for referring people to use the platform. But in all of these, you can trust in God Brokers because it has been in existence since 2006, sponsoring La Liga, have multi-regulations, okay. So here you see all the regulations here. Thank you. Catch you next week. Bye-bye.